Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your science teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your science class. My dear students, as you know that we are on chapter number 7. The name of our chapter is Electricity and Magnetism. Today we are going to start lecture number 6. That is the second part of the lecture number 6. Lecture 6B, and again we are going to discuss magnets and magnetism. So my dear students, this is totally a practical based lecture. ठीक है, इसमें कोई रीडिंग नहीं होगी, हम सिर्फ जो है एक प्रैक्टिकल परफॉर्म करेंगे which you will thoroughly enjoy. But before that, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. So my dear students, what is magnetic field? Quickly tell me. The area around the magnet where magnetism is felt is known as magnetic field. So my dear students, in today's lecture, the students will be able to describe and demonstrate that magnets have two poles that are like poles repel and opposite poles attract each other. So my dear students, previous lecture में भी मैंने आपको बताया था कि मैग्नेट के दो पोल्स होते हैं. जब लाइक पोल्स एक दूसरे के करीब आते हैं तो वो रिपेल करते हैं, जब ऑपोजिट पोल्स एक दूसरे के करीब आते हैं तो वो अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ आज हम इसको प्रैक्टिकली भी एक दफ़ा डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करेंगे. So my dear students, let's quickly move forward towards the experiment. So this is experiment number 3 given on page number 97. Quickly open it. I hope everybody has opened the page. So हमारे practical का basically या इस experiment का मकसद क्या है कि बच्चे magnetic poles जो है of a bar magnet, they will know about that. ठीक है? So the material that is required is 2 bar magnets, iron stand, थ्रेड, पेपर स्ट्रिप. सो आपको ये तमाम चीजें चाहिए. प्रोसीजर क्या है? बार मैग्नेट्स हैव 2 पोल्स कॉल्ड नॉर्थ एंड साउथ पोल. हैंग अ मैग्नेट विद द थ्रेड टाइड विद आयरन स्टैंड एज शोन इन द फिगर. इस तरीके से आपको स्टैंड के ऊपर थ्रेड की मदद से एक बार मैग्नेट को हैंग करना है. इंश्योर दैट इट्स नॉर्थ एंड साउथ पोल्स हैव बीन मार्क्ड. और ऑलमोस्ट ऑल बार मैग्नेट्स के जो पोल्स होते हैं उनको मार्क किया गया होता है. First, bring the north pole of the magnet closer to each other. They will repel, push away each other. Then bring the south poles of the magnet closer to each other. They will also repel each other. At last, bring the north pole of one magnet closer to the south pole of the other. They will pull or attract each other. So, my dear students, one by one, हम repulsion और attraction जो है bar magnets की उनको देखेंगे. So first of all, we need an iron stand, and on the iron stand you will, with the thread, you will hang the magnet, bar magnet. और इसके ऊपर जो है mark हुआ हुआ है, the blue one is south pole and the red one is north pole. So in my hand there is the other bar magnet. तो सबसे पहले मैं south pole को south pole के पास लेकर आऊंगी. So the south pole, so it is repelling each other. एक पास नहीं आ रहा उसके. Now I will bring the north pole near the north pole. Again it is not coming near it. ठीक है, ये देखें, ये देखें, ये देखें, repel हो रहा है. So like poles repel each other. Like poles repel each other. Now I will bring south pole near north pole. Instantly, भागा नहीं. It attracted it. ठीक है? It attracted it. Now I will bring north pole near south pole. Again, attract हो गया. But again, आप इसकी अगर repulsion देखना चाहते हैं तो south के करीब south को लाएं. See, फौरन से north pole आ जाएगा to attract it. So, like poles repel each other. Conclusion क्या है? Like poles repel each other. They are repelling each other. And opposite poles attract each other. Opposite poles attract each other. Okay, my dear students, आपने ये experiment ज़रूर perform करना है. You will enjoy this experiment. Okay, now let's quickly move forward. So, my dear students, the evaluation. So, quickly tell me that how do poles of 2 magnets act when they are brought together? So, 2 poles magnet के जब करीब लाए जाते हैं तो वो किस तरीके से behave करते हैं? If they are similar, अगर वो एक जैसे हैं तो they will repel. If they are opposite, then they will attract. So my dear students, now is the time for practice. For practice, you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print from bio teacher. So बड़ी ही simple worksheet है, very easy. Write down your name and the class, and then look at these pictures carefully and write about each situation how the two magnets will behave. So हर situation के बारे में आपको लिखना है. Here you can see two poles, north and south. So what will they do? They will attract each other. Next, here you can see this is a horseshoe magnet and this is a bar magnet. So south and south, north and north, they will repel each other. They will also repel, they will attract, and they will also repel. So this is how you will complete this part of the worksheet. I hope everybody has done it. So now is the time for homework. Homework के लिए भी आपके पास worksheet है, बहुत ही fun worksheet है. करना क्या है आपको? Draw the diagrams for the given situation. Like poles repel each other. So how do like poles of bar magnet repel each other? So you will make two bar magnets, north and south, south and north. So how do they repel? This is how they repel. So this is how you will draw the diagram. Next is opposite poles attract each other. So अब आपको opposite poles bar magnet के draw करने हैं और उनके दरमियान attraction दिखानी है. Arrows की जो direction है वो change हो जाएगी. So my dear students, this will be your homework. And my dear students, आपको एक home activity भी करनी है जिसमें आपको prepare करनी है a list of magnetic and non-magnetic materials from your daily life. कुछ magnetic materials which are attracted by the magnet उनकी list बनानी है, और कुछ जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं विच आर नॉन मैग्नेटिक जैसे कि पेपर, पेंसिल, प्लास्टिक, ग्लास, दीज आर ऑल नॉन मैग्नेटिक, आपने उनकी एक लिस्ट प्रिपेयर करनी है. ठीक है. सो दिस विल बी योर होमवर्क. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इन टुडेज लेक्चर वी हैव लर्नड दैट अ मैग्नेट हैज टू पोल्स, नॉर्थ एंड साउथ पोल. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज द रीजन in which magnetic force can be detected, and we have also learned that opposite poles attract each other, like poles repel each other. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.